In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and DJI Mini 3 Pro. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a stunning 4K video and 48-megapixel photo capability, capturing your world in remarkable detail, whether it's day or night. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, the DJI Mini 3 Pro allows you to explore and capture more of your surroundings than ever before. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 Pro's compact and foldable design makes it perfect for any adventure and eliminates the need for registration in most regions. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, offering unparalleled safety for a mini drone. Beyond its advanced camera system, the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with an array of intelligent features like FocusTrack, true vertical shooting, MasterShots, time-lapse, and quick transfer, enhancing your creative options. Included with the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the new DJI RC, pre-installed with the DJI Fly app and featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and the DJI Mini 3 Pro are both high-quality drones, each offering unique advantages. The HS440 drone, priced at $84.99, is a great value for money, especially for beginners. It provides a flight time of up to 20 minutes and is equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera, making it a versatile choice for capturing aerial scenery. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, priced significantly higher at $789, offers a more professional experience with a 4K video and 48-megapixel photo capability. It also boasts an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes. The HS440's features like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold make it user-friendly for beginners, while the DJI Mini 3 Pro's advanced camera system and intelligent features like FocusTrack, true vertical shooting, and MasterShots enhance creative options for more experienced users. The DJI Mini 3 Pro's tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0 offer unparalleled safety for a mini drone, whereas the HS440 has a simple operation for content creation. In conclusion, the HS440 is a cost-effective choice for beginners, while the DJI Mini 3 Pro is a more advanced, professional option for experienced users.